This is the first step. You're gonna see yellow spots on your leaves. If you turn it around, that's how you look. You see the yellow spot, but you don't see it like much in the front like that. And then you come here a couple days later on, you're gonna see the yellow spot is actually looking like brown and burned up, look like, you know, some kind of breakout or something. And then you come another couple days after and notice how the change is happening. It's looking like a disease, a fungus, a bacteria. It's looking more like scary, you know, and dangerous. And then you come over here now for another couple more days, and this is what we're looking at now. It's drying up. We got a little bit green, but the whole leaf is, you know, basically coming to the end. And then the final stage right is get all dried up and crispy, and then it look fall off right here. If all our leaves fall off like that, our plant will not grow. In this bottle, I'm going to tell you exactly what I mix. I'm going to show you exactly how we could fight this fast. We have downy mildew problem. It's almost just like powdery mildew, but it's different. Powdery mildew is a white powder spot that easily could take care of, and it does not destroy your plant for a long time. It takes a longer time. The downy mildew, this one is the bad one. This one literally destroy your plant very fast. This one dry out all the leaves very fast. If we don't try to stop it, prevent it, that it will destroy our plant. Now you could use baking soda to slow down it, or you could use home milk, you know, spray with water to slow it down. But I'm gonna tell you right here, hydroperoxide works the best for me. I'm pretty sure you guys know some home remedy, which I beg you guys to share too, because everybody needs the help with this. So I mix about 6 to 8 tablespoons hydroperoxide with a gallon of water, and I mix it up really well, and then I pour it in a spray bottle. You need a spray bottle because I'm going to show you exactly. So we're going to spray this in the evening time. Do not spray in the morning. Do not spray during the hot sun. Evening time when the sun cools down. Listen, this will cause, because of the weather. The weather will, the high humidity, the low humidity, and then a massive rain, or even a couple days of rain, and even if it's like too much leaves and too much plants together, this is what cause the problem. Plants need more airflow. You know, that's why, you know, pruning is the biggest thing. But if you miss the garden for a couple days and you got a lot of rain coming in, you got hot weather, you know, weird weather, you know, this will happen eventually. If you don't have this problem this year, you might have it next year, or you might have it the other year. I'm sorry to say that, but that's how it works. And if one plant gets it, it could transfer to a lot of plants. So we have to move fast. Now this is what we're gonna do. So we're gonna try to keep most of the healthy leaves. We're only gonna remove a couple of the lower one. You do not want to remove too much. Like this one right here, we're gonna try fight this. So this lower one, we cannot fight it. We're gonna already remove it. Garbage, these leaves, I don't compost them. And then look, we come here. All right, so we just cut off the bottom right there, right? So now we have a couple more, like the disease and stuff, but then we have it. I don't want to cut off too much because I want to give you guys an update coming up too. If you guys could cut off all of them and you have about at least 8 leaves, I think that's perfect. Leave about 8 leaves up there and then remove everything. That's easy way to stop it from flowing fast. But if you have plants, other plants that has it, you have to do the same thing. So we need airflow. See, like right there, I just start pruning right now. We're gonna clear all that up. We need good airflow. Air circulation is the key. Now, what we're gonna do, start from the bottom. Look, spray from the bottom of the stem all the way up. Make your way up. This is why I said in the evening. In the morning time, if you have flowers open and you spray them, you're not gonna get your fruit to pollinate. And yes, you could still eat your fruit. There's nothing wrong with that. So now we go up to the leaf. We're gonna spray the leaf on the top. Generous. You see how it's soaked with water now? And then you come at the bottom. We're gonna come at the bottom, and then we spray underneath of the leaves, and we're gonna repeat that. And then when you come even to the good one, you could see one spot right here. We're gonna spray it. We're not taking that chance for a spread. Even our one at the top where it has nothing, I will still spray it because I don't want it to come all the way up to the top. That's very risky, and we could lose our plant. And then we could apply this back within another 4 or 5 days. We could go ahead and do it. See how the water is dripping right now? That you want to be generous. So we have to do all these plants. All these plants. If you have a plant next to it too, you have to do it just a couple leaves because you want to make sure it does not come back. You want to take care of it right away. So check in the description box. I'm going to write everything in detail so you can snap a picture and save it and, you know, use it in the future or right now that you need it. If you see a yellow spot like that on your leaves, please do act fast. do not wait around, because this thing spread fast and then it will dry all your leaves up, and then you're gonna lose your plant. And especially if you live in a short garden season, we don't have a lot of time that we could reseed or replant, and we're gonna miss out on our delicious cucumbers or whichever plant has it. There's many plants could have it, and this thing could go from one plant to another plant. So it's Downy mildew. Read it up too if you guys want. I will put in more stuff in the in the description box if you need it, but a basic common video how to fight it: hydroperoxide 3%, mix it, put it in a spray bottle with water, spray it in the evening time, just like how I did. If you don't have that, you could try baking soda. If you don't have baking soda, you could use some home milk. With the milk, you could do like, half water, half milk, and spray the leaves and all over how I did in the evening time until you can get some hydroperoxide or something strong. If you guys ever had this problem, it will freak you out. I had this problem before. It's not the first time, but you gotta move fast. All right. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to help out my channel, please click the subscribe button. It's free. We're growing, and I appreciate it. And we have a lot more videos coming up.